Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to try to get this done outside. We'll see if the neighbors, the weather, if everything comes together here for us. So I'm kicking off a Wantable. This is my regular style edit. So when you get the themed style edits, it automatically kicks off your regular style edits. So keep that in mind. I had originally had them stopped and I was just doing themed edits. So if you don't want to get it, you just have to turn that off. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks hanging out with me today. Dexter is the beagle. This is Willie, my son's dog. He's a Jack Russell. And the white puppy is Loki. Please hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It's what keeps me going. All right, Wantable is a styling service very similar to Stitch Fix, which is the one that started them all. And they offer themed edits. So as I mentioned, the style edit, which is your everyday wear, vacation wear, work wear. They have a active edit, which is athleisure, workout wear. And then they have a sleep and body, which is fun. That's all your intimates, jammies, undies, bras, all that fun stuff, as well as sleep leisure. I like the style edit. That's the one I typically get. I have tried all of them and they're all fabulous. They even have one for men if you want to get one for the man in your life. Right on top, you'll see a pamphlet that gives you notes from your stylist as well as pricing sheets and ideas of how to wear them. That's from the notes. When you first open your box, this is what you see. So it tells you what to do. I love the personalized sticker. Now, they have been offering up to 9 items in some of their boxes. This one goes back to the normal amount, which is 7. So you get 7 items, keep 5 or more, and get 20% off. $20 styling fee does come off anything that you decide to keep. I'll put my link down below. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. Okay, let's do this. Let's check out my bundle. My stylist is Amanda. She has styled me before. Here's what this looks like. Okay, you do get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. I'll tell you, I did a preview on this one. I can never wait. I do a sneak peek all the time to see what I'm getting. And I'll be honest, I didn't like it. So let's see how that compares to the reality of the pieces. First up, this is a top by Weekend. We'll read my stylist note too and see what she says. So this is cute. It's got like the gold in there, which is nice. The black, it has the little crisscross back. So that's adorable. I do like that. Then we have, look, I'm probably already making faces. This is a sheer button-down top. Who is this by? This is by Skies Are Blue, which I asked not to get any more Skies Are Blue because it's just not, it's not one that I really enjoy. Oh yeah, and it even has like the wrap front like that, which I don't like that either. So it's supposed to already give it that tied look. Has these pearl buttons. It's just so not me. The fabric isn't, it's sheer, it's all right, but it's not the most comfortable. Longer in the back. I'm thinking that's not going to work. I could be surprised. I've asked not to get any more 78 and Sunny just because I don't want any more. This is the Sunrise Tank in Tea Rose. Is it bad? No. It feels comfortable. Has the rounded hem. We'll see. Okay. Then a little skirt. Now this is cute. This one is by Recreation by Thread and Supply. A little black pull-on skirt. Has pockets there on the side. Drawstring. That's cute. Something else comfy. This is also by Recreation by Thread and Supply. Little pull-on pants, travel style pants. Oh, they must look like little dressy trousers, huh? But they're pull-on style in this taupey color. The fabric feels really nice. Another Thread and Supply. I do ask them not to send me the off-brands. I thought I had those notes, but maybe not. This one's interesting. Okay, this is by Thread and Supply. They're little patch pocket pants. Those aren't bad, but check out the back. There's spots on them. You see that? I don't know what happened. What happened? I think maybe I was right. This one might not be good. Ugh. All right, last item is by Dear John. And I do like Dear John. I have that on my list, but they sent me a 25. I'm probably going to need a 26. We'll see, but I'm pretty sure. They have a lot of stretch. So it's almost like it's a tan and white or taupe and white stretch. Has the patchy pockets in the back. Wider leg. I think that should be cropped. We'll see if it's cropped on me. All right. Let's see. My stylist said, and I want to say I have on my notes that says I do not like Skies Are Blue, Kenzie, Horizon, Democracy, 78 and Sunny. Like I actually do have in my notes not to send me those items. Okay. So Amanda said, hey there, so glad you had to have you back for another edit. I've included fresh options, perfect for the warm days ahead. Try styling the blue Skies Are Blue button down with the beige thread and supply trousers for a polished yet breezy look. Okay. The beige trousers also pair beautifully with the fitted tank or flowy blouse for versatile worked weekend vibes. For your love of pink tones, no fuss, all function. This 100% cotton tank does exactly what you want. It fits well, feels soft, and plays nice with every other piece in your closet. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. All right. Well, let's get to this try on. Kicking off with the relaxed, comfy pants and this sheer top. You can see Loki. Yeah, he's a climber. He's like a billy goat. So I hate this top. It's just me. I do not like this. I hate these little gathers here to make it look like a front tuck. I'm not a fan of the button downs. I'm not enjoying this fabric, although it does have a cute little gold running through it. The colors are nice, but it looks sloppy on me. I just hate everything about it. But again, that's me. Don't go by just what I say. I really think you need to try things on to know if you like them for yourself before you make a decision. But this is not me. I don't even really enjoy these pearly buttons. I don't know why, but it's probably just the top itself. The pants are very nice. They're a little long, which has me a little concerned, but they're very comfy, and I'm not sure I love the pleats here. I think that's to give them a trouser look, but I'm really not loving it. And sorry for the little mower noise. Hopefully that's not going to be too bad here. And this is the reason why I don't come outside very much to film. So I was trying to get a couple in, but it's so hard. I have no control over what happens out here. Okay, so for this top, which is the long sleeve striped surplus top in blue, that's what this is all called, right? Surplus when they do this. By Skies Are Blue, I'm wearing an extra small, $69. And then the Frida Scupa knit trouser and taupe, I'm wearing a small, $83. I do have room in these. Maybe if I size down, they would be a little bit better, but then I worry the pleats might stick out more. So I can tell you right now that these two are a no for me. Next up, all right, now I have on the other thread and supply pants. This is one that has a little spot on it. I will tell you I actually really like these and would love to keep them if I can get another pair without the spot. I'm enjoying the crop length of these. They have stretch. They're neutrals. Very, very cute. They fit well. Super cute. Then the tank. So the tank isn't bad. It is a soft cotton, has a crew neck. It's not too bad. If I needed a fifth item to get to 20% off, this one might not be a bad choice. Here's what it looks like out. That rounded hem. I did a front tuck. You could do a full tuck. I think it would be cute. Okay, so for the sunrise tank and T-Rose, I'm wearing an extra small, $52, and the Porter Utility Wide Leg Pant in Forest Fog, I have on a small, $83. We'll keep going. Next up, I switched out the bottoms for the Dear John striped pant. I'm wearing a 25, which I thought was not going to fit, but they have a lot of stretch and feel really nice on, so I think they do. I'm loving the length. This is an actual true crop on me, hitting me right at my ankle bone there. Super cute, right? Check out these stripes in them. I'm really enjoying these. Looks nice with the pink. Adorable. So for the Dear John, Audrey Super High Rise Wide Leg Jean in Railroad Gray, $105. We're down to the last item. Final outfit. They have on the little skirt by Thread and Supply. I think it's a different name, but by that brand. And then this little crochet top, which I think is adorable. Did a front tuck, but you wouldn't have to. So cute. Check out this sweater. You see the gold running through it? I love it. This crisscrosses in the back, which you saw. You could do a front tuck, but it's not that long. You could leave it out. I think it's adorable. And this is a very comfy fabric, and it's got pockets, the drawstring. It is a mini, but it's not too short. It's cute. What do you guys think of this one? I like this whole outfit. All right, so for this one, the Kalena sweater knit tank in cream and black. I'm wearing an extra smalls by Weekend LA, $66, and the little Nadia knit skirt in black. I'm wearing a small by Thread and Supply, $58. Let's do a wrap up. All right, let's do this. What do you think the keepers are? So $516 for all 7 items, then I get 20% off if I keep 5 or more, plus my styling fee would come off. Let's talk through this. I actually really like both these pieces. I think they're super cute and basic. If I was going to keep one of them, I probably might keep this old top and just wear like a black skirt that I already own at the bottom, which I could do that. I would love to try these without a mark on them. You know how I felt about this top. And I didn't really think that this was a keeper. Then we have the Dear John pants. I actually really liked these. What did you think? Thought those would be even cute in the office. And then we have this tank, which I would probably only keep if I was trying to get to 5. So I have 5 if I keep both of these pieces. I can exchange the Thread and Supply pant. I keep the Dear John. Then this would have to be my 5th item, I think. I'll list all these items down below in case you'd like to request any of them for yourself. I will put my link to Wantable in case you'd like to give this a try. It really is such a fun service. I've been getting some really good boxes lately. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.